Namaskar, hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a very much important accounting term that is called reserves. What we mean by reserves? What the reserves actually means? First, when the company will earn profit, that might be any sort of companies. When the company will earn profit, it is sure that not the entire profit is subject to distributable among the shareholders. If the company earns 100 crores as a profit, they will not distribute 100 crores as a dividend into the shareholders. First, they will keep aside a part of their profit for the future purpose. Say the profit is 100 crores, 20 crores or 30 crores, they will keep them aside first. Rest 70 to 80 crores, they will distribute it among shareholders. Now question comes, why the company keep aside this particular 20 to 30 crores amount? That is only because of to meet the future uncertainties of the business. That is called reserves. The part of the profit which is kept aside by the company before distributable among shareholders as a dividend in order to meet the future uncertainties, that represents the reserves for the company. That reserves can be maintained in different ways. That can be general reserve, that can be revenue reserve, that can be liquid reserve, that can be catastrophic reserve. There are different types of the reserves are there. But one thing is sure that reserves are maintained first from the profit before distributing profit. Second, the purpose of the reserves, the purpose of maintaining the reserve is that in order to meet the future uncertainties of the company. The future uncertainties may be any types. But this is the power that gives the strength to the company. Just like in a family, not the entire income is being incurred. A part of the income is being saved every month in order to meet the future uncertainties. Same thing happen in case of the companies, because company needs money and the requirement of money may arise at any time in future in form of any sort of financial uncertainties. In order to meet that uncertainties, the company needs financial strength. From where the company acquired the financial strength? From the reserves maintained by the company. Out of the profit, it gives the financial strength to the companies. That is the concept behind the reserves. Here, one of the important things is that if the company earns profit, if the company has good profit during the last financial year, then only the company is supposed to maintain the reserves. If the company is suffering from the losses, except some exceptional cases, the company will not maintain reserves. So reserves totally depend upon the profitability of the company. So it is an appropriation of the profit in nature. This is the main thing, main concept behind the term reserves. Hope you understand. If you understand the concept, then like my videos, subscribe my channel and share this video into your friends.